Hello, welcome back to my channel, Learn English with Shelly. Today we will learn how to talk about your daily routine. Before I get started, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now let's get started with the daily routine lesson. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. And then I take a shower. And then I take a shower. After that, I brush my teeth. After that, I brush my teeth. Once that's done, I apply my face cream and body lotion. Once that's done, I apply my face cream and body lotion. Then I choose an outfit and wear it. Afterwards, I move on to blow drying and styling my hair. Afterwards, I move on to blow drying and styling my hair. I make my breakfast and have it. I make my breakfast and have it. I start getting ready for work. I start getting ready for work by applying my makeup and wearing my work outfit. By applying my makeup and wearing my work outfit. Lastly, I spray some perfume and head to work. I start work at 9 a.m. I start work at 9 a.m. At 1 p.m., I have lunch. After my lunch break, I return to work until 5 p.m. After work, I return home. I remove my makeup and my work outfit. After work, I return home. I remove my makeup and my work outfit. I relax for a little while by surfing the internet. And then I prepare my dinner. After my dinner, I wash the dishes. After my dinner, I wash the dishes. Finally, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth and go to sleep around 10 p.m. Good job, you guys. Now it's activity time. Give it a try and write down your daily routine. Good luck! Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this video helped you out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please write me your comments and questions in the comments section below, and I will respond. Once again, thank you so much, and see you next time.